These shrimp are cooked in a rich, reddish sauce, juicy, spicy, and loaded with flavor. Every piece is coated in herbs, spices, and that smoky outdoor aroma that makes seafood taste even better. The sauce clings to the shrimp perfectly, giving every bite a bold, savory punch. Paired with hot rice, the whole meal becomes a full comfort feast. The shrimp stays firm and juicy, the sauce adds heat and sweetness, and the rice absorbs all that flavor. It's messy, satisfying, and proudly Filipino.
Mango. Ay. Mango. Hmm.